Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think we're clearly in an uptrend. I think this is a 1, 2, 3. I don't even think we're in a wave 5 yet. I think we're still in the wave 3, which most likely will go up and take out this high before it makes a bigger correction for the wave 4 and goes back up one more time to make the wave 5. I still think this over here is an A. I think this is an A, B, C, a B, and I think we're currently in a wave 3 of wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have definitely making higher highs, higher lows. I think we have a wave 1 way down here, a wave 2, and this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. I think it's like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we may be in the wave 5 of 3 right now. Either way, until I get some sort of evidence that this wave 3 is over, I'm definitely primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily, we're definitely right in between two fib levels right now. I think that even if this does end up going down, it's going to have to bounce off a fib level before it does go down. So until we get some evidence that it's going down, like a significant lower high, a Fibonacci bounce, or a nice big engulfing move to the downside, I definitely am looking for sorts in a downtrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely could be an A, and this definitely could be a B, and it might possibly drift down for wave C. I always try to look at all possibilities, and this definitely is a possibility that it goes down before it does go back up. But sometimes what we suspect is a wave B will actually just continue to go up and just keep on trending. So for me, I definitely would be looking for longs on shorter time frames, even if it does end up going back down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just this last push up. Because to me, it looks like this possibly could be an A. This move up could be a B, especially with the lower high that it made. And this move down could be a wave C. So if it bounces out to 61.8 or to 78.6, makes a nice impulsive move up, I would go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, I would be a little cautious because this could be an A, this could be a B, and it possibly could keep on going down. And if it does keep on going down to make that bigger wave C, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, then we will not get that big engulfing move at a Fibonacci level. So you'll never go long, but instead you'll just be continuing to go short. If you are a scalper and you are trading the shorter time frames, I do think that you should be looking for shorts until you get that big impulsive engulfing move up at a Fibonacci level. And if that doesn't happen, then you should just keep on looking for shorts until it does happen on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.